Conveyor belts face relentless environmental conditions, extreme wind, precipitation, heat and humidity. These elements can cause visible damage and operational issues affecting productivity and bottom lines. Dust becomes a concern when it becomes fugitive and airborne, causing havoc and cost blowouts. Selecting and installing the correct conveyor belt cover is critical. Conveyor belt covers act as protective barriers, reducing wear on components and extend service life. They also minimise dust emissions, protecting nearby communities and ecosystems. Conveyor covers are economical, effective and safe solutions for dust containment. High-performance materials like galvanised steel and aluminium ensure durability and ease of maintenance. Containing dust is a must for the environment, operators and productivity. Conveyor covers provide the best protection from nature's harsh elements while keeping materials contained. Learn how Kinder Australia can help contain dust emissions.